Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. So the first episode was a review on my amazing, fantastic Suzuki VanVan, but this is the real star of the show. This is my favourite personal possession. It was a 1995 Harley Davidson Dyna, but it's been quite heavily modified, as you can see. And I've owned this for about 10 years. I love working on it, and I love riding it. But the last 3 years it hasn't been on the road, and actually hasn't been started in about 3 years. So the last few weeks I've been sort of piecing it back together, getting it all going into running conditions. Today we're going to try to start it for you and see how it goes. I don't expect it'll run particularly well, but we'll give it a try. So a bit about the bike first. So it's a 1340 big twin. I don't know if the engine's had any work done to it, but I'm not sure. It moves along the road pretty well, but it's not the sort of bike you want to ride particularly quickly anyway. It's clearly had the frame quite heavily modified here. It's not a hardtail, so they've kept the shocks. They've got some progressive shocks which work quite well on it. It's got a rear disc and caliper. Rear disc and caliper from a GSXR, which actually isn't particularly man enough. I think I need a bigger brake for the back, to be brutally honest. It's got these straight pipes which make a horrendous amount of noise. Forward controls, obviously. No front fender. It's got the Avon Speedmaster tyres on it. What else can I tell you? It's just a bit of a beast. Custom seat with the iron cross. The biggest issue we're having at the moment is this old tank. See, it's got the iron cross welded into it. It's pretty corroded on the inside, so one of the biggest jobs I've had to do is to actually clear out the tank and then put a fuel filter in the line. So the fuel filter is just hidden in here, hidden underneath there. Don't know if you can see it. This is clearly a professional job here. I need a new fuel line, but it hasn't come in the post yet, so I've just rigged this up temporarily just to see if it'll start. So yeah, let's see how she goes. I'm going to open the garage door first and gas ourselves. Might help to turn the fuel on. So yeah, as you can hear, it fired, but it only ran on choke, and it was pretty. It's noisy anyway. But I don't know. I kind of felt like there was a noise, like a top end noise or something going on there too. So I'm just gonna leave it for a bit. It wouldn't run. It wouldn't idle. Wouldn't even throttle. So I'm assuming that some of the crap from the tank has probably got through to the carb, and the carb's blocked. Maybe needs a rebuild it's been left sitting for 3 years, so I could probably do at least a clear out and a rebuild anyway, so I might do that next and see how it goes. If you've got any ideas about what to do next, please let me know. But for the rest of the video, I thought I'd take you for a bit of a run around the island where I live in Orkney on the VanVan. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. It's on the VanVan.
Woohoo!